Hello students, welcome to class. Today I am going to explain you class 10th first flight book second chapter The Thief Story written by Ruskin Bond. This story is about the trust and war of trust. Ruskin Bond is a very well known writer for his short stories and poem. This is a short story from his masterpiece. So title is very clear. This is a story of a thief. He himself is a narrator and he will only tell us the story. So let's begin. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So, who is I here? I was thief himself, and he is only narrating the story. So, he was saying that when he met Anil, he was a thief and his age was only 15. He said that Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery help in making friends. Flattery means false praise. झूठी प्रशंसा करना. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Here modestly means humbly. I do wrestle a bit, bit means thoda bahut. Hari Singh, I lied. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. After the match, the narrator followed Anil and requested him for some work. Anil replied that he couldn't pay him. After this, Anil agreed to have him on foot. Anil took him to his room over the Jamna Street shop because the narrator lied to him that he knew cooking. Anil gave him balcony for sleeping. Anil could not eat the food cooked by Hari Singh because thief ने उसे झूठ बोला था कि उसे खाना बनाना आता है. अनिल ने उसे सोने के लिए बालकनी की जगह दी थी. अनिल हरी सिंह द्वारा बनाए गए भोजन को नहीं खा सका, फिर भी उसने उसे अपने साथ रख लिया. For the household, the narrator had to purchase the day's supplies. In that, he would make a profit of about ₹1 a day. Anil knew it, but he never spoke about it. घर के लिए उस थीफ को दिन में सामान खरीदना होता था और वो रोज़ सामान खरीदने जाता था और उसमें से रोज़ ₹1 बचा लेता था. अनिल को इसके बारे में मालूम था, लेकिन वो कभी कुछ कहता नहीं था. Within a month, they had much faith in each other. Now Anil had given him a separate key of room. The narrator started to build good relation with Anil, but during this month, Anil did not give him money. One day, Anil came home with a small bundle of note. He told the narrator that he had sold a book to a publisher. Now Anil had a negative feeling. He decided to steal the notes as Anil did not give him anything for his work. So at night when Anil was sleeping, the narrator stole notes and left the room. He reached the station. The Lucknow Express was leaving the station slowly. He could either enter the compartment easily, but his conscience stopped him. Walking through the market, he reached the Maidan and was thinking continuously about the behavior of different people and their loss. The greedy man showed fear and the rich man showed anger. The poor showed acceptance, but he knew that Anil would show sadness for breaking his faith. Just then heavy rain began and he was drenched. He took shelter under the clock tower. It was midnight. The notes that had tied with the string of his pajama had been completely wet. He thought it was very difficult to cheat Anil as he had faith in him. He was teaching him to read and write, which could make him a very respectable man. So he decided to go back. Hurriedly, he went back. He was very nervous. When he reached, the Anil was still sleeping. He put the notes back under the mattress. Next morning, Anil woke up first and prepared tea. He gave him a ₹50 note and narrator was fearful to be caught. Anil told him that he would pay him regularly now and would start writing sentences. The narrator smiled. So children, this is the story about trust and war of trust written by Ruskin Bond.